What is up, guys? It's Crusader Cat here. Welcome back to another construction update video. In this video, we'll be going on the Wonder Woman Golden Lasso Coaster construction tour. Unfortunately, this will be the only construction update of the ride because my home park is Great Adventure, and I was very fortunate enough to go out to Fiesta, Texas to go on a tour. The park's president, Jeffrey, was kind enough to give us a hard hat tour in exchange for the ride being delayed, which I'm hearing to be making a late March or late spring opening. I'm not too keen on when it will be, but I do know the ride is delayed. One last thing before the video starts is I did talk to Jeffrey about how the ride's braking system works, but I forgot to record it. So anyway, the ride will have three different braking systems. One of them is a magnetic brakes, which is these things pictured on the screen. The second thing is the brakes, which is another set of magnetic brakes, which will raise and lower, similar to Intamin's fin brakes. And lastly are a couple of sprint brakes, where they'll gently pick up the train, similar to those found on classic wooden coasters. And of course, the ride will feature drive tires to, well, move the train through the station. So anyway, sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
What remains is the actual physical layout, because that's the maximum triangle that we can get in that building. If you look at it from a map, you'll notice that basically the walls touch each other. For the actual ride experience. You'll enter down this path to my right-hand side. You'll go through this main switchback, and this is where the storytelling will begin. You'll actually learn how Wonder Woman came to be. There'll be a giant Wonder Woman statue in the back with real flame torches, big epic music while you're waiting in line, and then from here you'll actually head up those stairs into your pre-staging or pre-grouping area to select your seat before you ride. That's one of the differences with this ride, because we are using the moving station feature. So the trains will never stop. They'll always continue moving. We'll have 3 trains of 8 each. And the train is much longer than you would actually expect for just having 8 cars. It really does have a nice elongated feel to it. So you'll actually go up there and you'll see there's a series of markations on the ground. You'll actually pick your seat. So this way, before you ever start moving again, you'll know I'm riding the front seat, I'm picking the back, and there'll be multiple trains that will be pre-staging at once. Once everyone has kind of picked where they want, then we'll put you guys in the final queue. This way, you're not doing that last minute trying to figure out where everyone's sitting while the ride is still running. So you'll just go and get in your specific seat, and off you go and enjoy the ride. There will be 3 different ways you can ride. One is a standby line, which you'll just wait like everyone else to ride with your friends and family. You can choose to be a single rider, so you will be paired though by yourself. You truly will be put, most likely in the middle, somewhere on an empty dot. And then the other way is with our Flash Pass program. So you can go 3 different ways, pick whichever you like to enjoy the ride experience. So again, you'll come in this way, storytelling here, go upstairs, and then you can begin seeing the columns that we're installing on the building to really give it that Wonder Woman Paradise Island feel, very Greco-Roman in nature and scope. Giant star planner with another Wonder Woman statue as well. We actually ordered 3 different statues to go in the park this year. 2 are Wonder Woman, one for the entrance here, and one right over here. And we also ordered a Batman statue. So next to Batman the Ride, there's a pedestal, kind of in a planter that's been empty for a long time. And Batman will actually go there on that pedestal next to Batman the Ride, as we continue to just kind of re-theme and continue the storytelling. Any questions here about the entrance experience? Great, we're actually going to head back this way and go to places that you won't be able to go very soon. Watch your step. Official Hardhead area. It's a real tour. Yeah. Real Hardhead tour. And as a reminder, for anyone that has cameras out, photography, that's video recording, please feel free to do so. As we're standing, you see 2 shipping containers that are welded together. That's where all the technology is stored. So, ride control system, everything is in there. This little spur track that you see coming towards us right here with the SFFT on it. That's how we'll get trains on and off. So instead, because as you know, in just a few days, this will become flooded. So the areas that we're about to walk to will be refilled with water. So the only way we can get to the transfer table once the water's all put back in is by adding this extra spur track. Even the maintenance table, the maintenance area will all be themed as well to Wonder Woman. Any questions while we're here? What kind of group?
Wow. Oh, jeez.
I see what looks like lights on the lift hill, on the stairs. Are those big chasing lights?
We'll be washing up.
No, you don't get that angle.
The paint is hit up.
Oh my.
Watch your step, guys. Watch, it's loose gravel. Everyone be careful.
Huh? Mike, you taking snapshots as you go? Yeah.
You can see we've started cleaning this up, so please try to keep the dirt on that side for all that you can. So in just a few days, we'll be flooding the lagoon yet again, so it'll almost be up to our neck. So all the big bases get hidden underwater, and only parts of the concrete columns actually appear above.
So this will be under?
That's all underwater.
Are you building up the walls?
We are not. We're going to keep it at the original level because of the way the park uses flood mitigation.
Yeah.
So this way, it could still, if indeed we do get more rain,
It won't flood. That would be terrible if it broke out into the park.
Yes, that would not be good, especially since we have all this infrastructure to contain flood water. Where? Yes, you can go right there. Yeah. So you can see the ride has lots of wicked twists and turns and maneuvers.
Wow.
The airtime hill directly in front of us. The Raven, the first Raven element over to the left. There's no doubt if you're sitting in the front, when you get to the top of the Raven hill, you're going to be out of your seat before flipping upside down. It's going to be a fantastic element. It's going to be a great weightlessness opportunity. You can also see the exiting structure is almost complete. All the shade is going up. We're installing handrails. Over to my left is the entrance portal. We're on the other side. It actually reads Wonder Woman Golden Lasso Coaster. And then you can see our new exit retail is also being finished over to the left-hand side. Are you blinded, Trevor?
Yeah, I should have my glasses.
Glasses?
I mean, I'll go buy some.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll go buy some. Yeah. Where are they at? Anywhere?
We have
Yeah, there's places you can get this.
the biggest assortments towards the front gate of Mercado.
Yeah.
That you're going to see.
Crash into branches of
Or Surge, we keep rest in peace.
Hey, Mike, you fitting a suitcase or what? You take it back.
Extra chain!
Extra chains!
extra chains.
Lead by lead.